the next step is to create the stock setup. So to create the stock setup, first of all you have to select the machine type. So go to the machine type, click on mill and click on default. Here you can see that we have selected the milling machine center. Then the next step is to create the stock. So to create the stock, click on the stock setup. Here the software asks for the values of x, y and z. My model is of 100 by 80 mm by 10 mm thickness. So I will enter the greater value for the finishing purpose. So I will enter the y as 85, x as 105 and z as 15 mm. Then I will click on OK. So you can see that we have created our stock. Then the next step is to start the operation. So my first operation will be contouring operation. I will remove all this extra material. So to remove this extra material, click on the tool path, select the contour option, give the appropriate name, then click on enter. Then click on this chain option, select this chain. So and then again click on OK. Now we have to define some of the parameters like tool holders and cutting parameters. So we will see step by step. So my first will be tool. So I have to define the tool. So we will select this tool from select tool library. I will select the tool as 20 mm diameter. Then I will select this tool holder. Then I have to define some cutting parameters. I will define the breakthrough as 2 mm. Then linking parameters. We will turn on this. We have to define depth as -15. Then click on if you want to use the coolant, so click on coolant, turn on this coolant. Now you can see that the software automatically completed the first operation. To view this operation in 3D, click on isometric, click on verify selected operation, then click on play. Here you can see that the contouring operation. Then come back to the second operation. So my second operation will be facing. So to do this operation, click on tool path, face. Then the software again asks for the chain. So select this chain, click on OK. Now we have to again define all these parameters. So click on tool. I have already selected some of the basic tools. So I will directly go with this. If you want to select this tool, another tool, click on select tool library and select the appropriate tool. So in this facing operation, I will select the tool diameter as 15, then tool holder, then depth cut. If you want to assign the depth cut, you can assign that. Then you have to define the linking parameters. So first of all, select check all the radio button of absolute, enter the depth as 4 mm. If you want to use the coolant, use the coolant. Here you can see that we have completed the facing operation. To view this operation, click on isometric, select the verify selected operation option and click on play. You can see that our facing operation, and click on OK. And again come back to the top view. Now my next operation is to drill these 4 holes. So to drill this, to perform the drilling operation, go to the toolbar, select the option as drill. Now the software asks for the entity or its anchor point. So we can go with entity. Click on entity option, select these 4 holes, click on enter. Then again define the parameters such as tool, then some linking parameters. I will enter the depth of minus 15 and use the calculator. Add to depth, click on add to depth, click on OK. Software automatically calculated how much depth this tool wants. So software automatically calculated the values of minus 20. Then I will again use the coolant, click on OK. Now to view this operation in 3D, click on OK. Now come back to the top view. Then we have to do this pocket operation. So to do this pocket operation, go to the tool path, select the pocket. Now software again asks for the chain. Select this chain, click on OK. Now if you see the geometry, my pocket radius is 10 mm and the diameter will be 20. So we have to select this tool in between these two values. So I will select the tool diameter as 15. Then some of the cutting parameters such as breakthrough as 3 mm. Linking parameters, select all these as absolute. Check the box in front of clearance minus 20 and click on OK. To view this operation, go to the isometric and you can see. If you want to see all these operations in step by step, so click on the tool path group 1, then select the verify selected operation. Here you can see all these operations step by step. Okay. Now if you want to see its G code, M code, so click on G1. Give the appropriate name. Software automatically generates these codes, so you don't need to create any codes. In this way we have completed our first tutorial.